So this is the Bugatti air fryer, and at a price of under £100, you certainly are getting bang for your buck. And that's exactly why I wanted to do this video review, to prove exactly that. So in the box you get the device itself, user manual, and a very neat and helpful recipe book. And it only just scratches the surface of what actual dishes you can create using this. There are many. So let's take a look at the device itself first. And as you can see on the top you have this LED lit control panel, and it is all touch sensitive. And what is nice is everything is customizable to how you intend to cook your finished dish. Running across the top you have some preset settings to help you get an idea of how things cook best, from chicken all the way to fish. But in essence, this is very easy to use. You have a temperature and time. That's really all you need to know. It's as simple as that. There are plenty of recipes online on how to make different recipe dishes and how well you need to do them in terms of time and temperature. The under tray is completely removable, and what's great to know is it is dishwasher safe. So cleaning is a complete breeze. The operating of this is not that loud either. Once you switch it on, grab your desired temperature and your time, you're pretty much good to go. This uses 85% less oil, and with most things, if you're cooking chips let's say, all you need to do is add a teaspoon or about half a teaspoon of oil and that's it. It works by using its 1500 watt high power output to make most foods go from frozen to crispy in a matter of minutes. This is more than just a fryer, it's an oven, and it's pretty much an all-in-one chef. You have a never-ending amount of possibilities to explore, from baking cakes to chicken to fish or to whatever jumps into your mind. It's pretty much up to you. It works well, and I can honestly say that. I haven't had any personal problems with it, and everything I have cooked using it over the week has come out tasting and looking just fantastic. And the best thing about it all is you don't feel guilty about eating it, because, well, it's made the most healthiest way possible. It's certainly a must-have piece of tech for your kitchen, and I couldn't recommend it enough. Take a look at the product in the link in the description and let me know what you think. As always, till next time.